Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a trim. My hair desperately needs a trim, but I've got these things here that I want to be giving a try. I haven't opened it yet. They are the DIY hair cutting tool, and I thought it would make trimming my hair a bit easier, so I just want to give it a try. This is what this one looks like. This is the one that I'm going to use. It is straight. It's got a lever in the middle, so you can see where it's straight. This one has a curve, which I guess would be for if you want to have a fringe or an uneven style, but I won't be using this one. So this actually has like a little clip on the end. I guess you open it, you put your hair in. It's got like little grips in there. So I'm going to blow dry my hair first so that I can get a nice even trim and I can actually see what needs to come off. Okay, now my hair is completely blow dried and my ends feel horrible. I could barely even run my fingers out them getting caught up. I've got so many single strand knots in here. So I'm going to be using this tool as I showed you earlier. And the instruction says, always use on clean, dry hair. So I'm just going to give this a wash before I put it in my hair, because I don't know exactly where it came from before I got it. So I'm going to wash this quickly. Okay, so I have washed it. So I'm actually going to start on this side. Give it a nice little comb out. I don't know if you can hear that, but the ends of my hair are just so bad. Right. So I'm just going to clip this away. I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The ends of my hair. You may even see some single strand knots if you look close enough. But the ends of my hair are just trash. So I'm going to put this in. It's got like grips in here for the comb. I've got a pair of scissors here. I'm just going to along the line. I don't feel like I've cut enough off because I can still feel some knots at the end of my hair. I think I need to go just a little bit more. Yeah, you can still see they're a bit raggedy still. So this is definitely good to make sure you get a nice clean cut. Yeah, that feels better. Okay, we'll just move on to the rest of my hair. See, I get nice clean ends. My hair feels a lot better now. See, the comb can easily glide through my hair. You can see how nice and blunt my ends are. And I think this tool gives you a nice grip on your hair so that you just cut what you need. I know it might look like I'm taking off a lot, but my hair really needs this cut. And my ends are really bad. I've not only got single strand knots, I've also got split ends. So I just need to be taking off a little bit more than just a little trim, just to make sure that I get the end off. This is pretty good because once you clip your hair, it keeps your hair in, so you can pull your hair to the front, back, and still get the same level of hair. Okay, this is my finished results. I still feel like I need to take off a little bit more, but I will do that at another time. But for now, I think this is good. You can see that my hair is a little bit uneven in some places, but it is because my hair was already uneven before I started. Yeah, I do like this gadget to cut your hair with because it keeps the hair in place so you can cut a straight line. This is the amount of hair that I trim off. Not that much, but I still feel like I need to cut some more off because I can feel the knots some places. So I may go through and search and destroy some of the knots and split ends that are remaining, because I don't want to cut too much of my hair off. But this is good for now. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.